We have a brand new collection from our friends at 49th and Market. This is called Vintage Artistry Shore or Shoreline also. Now, they are 12 by 12. And what's really nice is you get some extra things with this collection, as you do with all 49th and Market papers. Let me turn this over. So on the back of the cover sheet, you also get some artwork. I see some kind of like blueprints of boats and things. Then down here, there are some fish, so that border can also be used. We also have, oh, look at this, how pretty. And what I really love that they do is they just do a great job of a very light collage, and that's so much fun. On the back, yes, you're going to get another sheet. We've got an atlas there, and then again, a border that you can pull off. Here we have some seaweed and some fish. We've got text. We've got all kinds of things going on the back side. Ooh, fun. Again, a great big map, but very ghosted back, so it's so usable. And here we have another. I love the seahorse. And on the back side of it, oh, we've got some kelp and seaweed and so forth. And oh, isn't this pretty with the nautilus and the seashells? On the back, we've got a green and then a kind of a distressed stripe down here. What they do so beautifully are the laser cuts. Now, in this set, there are 69 laser cuts. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And let me show you the second sheet. Wow. Just absolutely gorgeous. They just pop right out. Sometimes they do it for you. Sometimes you just nudge them out. It works really well. And I am delighted to tell you that these are in stock right now. Vintage Artistry Shore. It might be under Shoreline also. You can look also at the 49th and Market flowers that are going to work perfectly with this. The buttons galore sparklets will work gorgeously too. And don't forget, we've got dies with mermaids and with seahorses too, right here at paperwishes.com.